Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video we discussed exercise number 1.3, 1.2 and 1.3 related to quadratic equation. In today's video we are going to start exercise number 1.4, which is related to MCQs portion. And you know that in this year 50% of the total paper will include an MCQs portion. So you have to concentrate on MCQs. That's why we are going to start MCQs today. So MCQs number 1 is if x plus 1 into x minus 5 is equal to 0, then roots are option A is 1 minus 5, B is 1 5, and C is minus 1 5, and D is minus 1 minus 5. Solution. We have given that x plus 1 into x minus 5 is equal to 0 using zero factor property, by which x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. Shift plus 1 to the right hand side, so we are left with x is equal to negative 1, and here shift minus 5 to the right hand side, so we are left with x is equal to 5. So these are the two roots and solution to the given equation. Minus 1 and 5. So correct option is option C. Going to question number 2. Question number 2 is if x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, then solutions are solution. Option A is minus 1 plus minus under root 5 divided by 2. B is minus 1 plus minus under root 5 divided by 2. Option C is 1 plus minus under root 5 whole divided by 2. And option D is 1 plus minus under root 5 divided by 2. Going to solution. X square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Using quadratic formula here, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Putting the value of a, b, c from here, x is equal to minus b is minus 1 plus minus b is minus 1 whole square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is negative 1 whole divided by 2 times of a is 1. So we are left with 2 here. So x is equal to minus minus gives us plus 1 plus minus under root of minus 1 whole square gives us 1, and minus 4 multiplied minus 1 gives us plus 4 divided by 2. Solving, we get x is equal to 1 plus minus under root of 5 divided by 2. So this is the roots and solutions to the given quadratic equation. 1 plus minus under root 5 over 2, which is option C. Solving question number 3. Question number 3 is in equation 2x square minus x is equal to 3. Values of a, b, c are. Option A is 2 minus 1 3, B is 2 1 and 3, and C is 2 minus 1 and minus 3, and option D is 2 minus 1 and 0. Taking the given quadratic equation, 2x square minus x is equal to 3. Shift plus 3 to the left hand side, so we are left with 2x square minus x. Here it is plus 3, and by moving it to the left hand side it becomes negative 3 is equal to 0. Comparing this quadratic equation with the standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is 2, b is negative 1 here, which is the coefficient of x, b is 1, and c is constant, which is equal to negative 3. So the solutions are 2 minus 1 and minus 3. These are the three constant value to the given quadratic equation. 2 minus 1 minus 3. Option C is the right option. Question number 4 is if x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0, then the solutions are. Option number A is 4 minus 1, B is minus 4 1, C is 4 1, and last option is negative 4 and negative 1. Solution. Taking the given quadratic equation, x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. By factorization method, we can solve this quadratic equation easily. Choose the two number which gives us minus 3x. If we add their two numbers, which is minus 4x and plus x, so minus 4 is equal to 0. Add these two numbers, gives us minus 3x. Multiply minus 4 with 1 gives us negative 4x square. Taking out x common from here, so inside we are left with x minus 4, and here take out common 1. Inside we are left with x minus 4 is equal to 0. So by zero factor property, we have two solutions. X minus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Move minus 4 to the right hand side, so we are left with x is equal to 4, and here x is equal to negative 1. So these are the two solutions to the given quadratic equation. 4 minus 1 option A is the right option. Move to the question number 5 for solutions to equation 2x square plus 4x minus 9 is equal to 0 have R. Option A is 2 plus minus under root 22 divided by 2. Option B is minus 2 plus minus under root 22 divided by 2. Option C is 2 plus minus under root 22 divided by 2, and last option is minus 2 plus minus under root 22 divided by 2. Taking the given equation and solve it through the method of quadratic formula. 2x square plus 4x minus 9 is equal to 0. X is equal to negative b plus minus under root of b square minus 4 is applying quadratic formula. Putting the value of a, b, c. B is 4, so minus 4 plus minus b is 4, so 4 square gives us 16, minus 4 time of a is 2, and c is negative 9, whole divided by 2 time of a is 2. So x is equal to minus 4 plus minus under root of 16, 4 multiply 2 gives us 8, 8 multiply 9 gives us 72, and 72 plus 16 gives us just 88, and 2 multiply 2 gives us 4. So x is equal to minus 4 plus minus, we can write 88 as a 2 multiply 2 and multiply 2. 2 multiply 2 gives us 4, and 4 multiply 2 gives us 8, and multiply 11 gives us 88 whole divided by 4. So x is equal to negative 4. This 2 multiply 2 gives us 2 raised to power 4, and 2 will cancel out with under root, so 2 is common out from under root, so 2, and 2 multiply 2 gives us 11 multiply 2 multiply 11 gives us 22 divided by 4. Take out 2 common from numerator, so inside we are left with minus 2 plus minus under root 22, and denominator we can write 4 as 2 multiply 2. 2 will cancel out with 2, so x is equal to minus 2 plus minus under root of 22 whole divided by 2. So these are the two solutions to the given quadratic equation. So option B is the right option. Move to question number 6. If x square minus 1 over 4 is equal to 0, then the roots are option A plus minus 1 over 2, option B plus minus 1 over 4, option C plus minus iota over 2, and option D is plus minus iota divided by 4. Solution. Taking the given quadratic equation, x square minus 1 over 4 is equal to 0. Shift minus 1 over 4 to the right hand side, so we are left with x is equal to 1 over 4. Here the highest power is 2, it means that the solution must be 2. So taking under root plus minus 2 will cancel out with under root, so x is equal to plus minus 1 over 4 under root is equal to just 1 over 2. So the solution is x is equal to plus minus 1 over 2. Option A is the right option. Move to question number 7. Equation is given x power 4 minus 5x square plus 6 is equal to 0. In the question they tell that is this equation simultaneous, either quadratic, either cubic. So you know that the highest power of the variable x in this equation is 4, and we already told in the definition of quadratic equation in exercise number 1.2 that those equations in which the highest power of the variable is 4, That equations are called quadratic equations. So the correct choice is option number C. Move to another question. Question is x square minus 7x plus 12. Option A is x plus 3 into x plus 4. Option B is x minus 3 into x plus 4. Option C is x minus 3 into x minus 4. And the last option is x plus 3 into x minus 4. Taking this quadratic polynomial x square minus 7x plus 12, we can solve this quadratic polynomial easily through the factorization method. Choose the two numbers. If we add the two numbers, it gives us negative 7x, and if we multiply it, it gives us 12x square. So the two numbers are minus 3x minus 4x. That's 12. Take out x common. Inside we are left with x minus 3, and take out minus 4 common. So inside we are left with x minus 3. Grouping the term, it gives us x minus 3 and x minus 4. So this is the factorized form of the given quadratic polynomial. Option C is the right option. Move to another question. Standard form of quadratic equation is given: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This will be a quadratic if a is equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Option B is a is not equal to 0. Option C is a equal b equal 0, and last option is b is real. Solution. Taking this equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You know that this equation is called quadratic equation if the coefficient of x square, which is a, is either positive value or negative value. So if we put a is equal to 0 here, this whole term will become 0, and we are left just with bx plus c is equal to 0. So this equation, quadratic equation, is now reduced to the linear equation. It not becomes as a quadratic equation. So if we put a is equal to 0, so the quadratic equation will reduce to the linear equation. If a is not equal to 0, so it will be a quadratic. So the correct option is option B. Move to last question. Last question is solution to equation x raised to power 4 minus 5x square plus 6 is equal to 0. Option A is plus minus 2 plus minus 3. Option B is plus minus 2 iota and plus minus 3 iota. And option C is plus minus under root of 2 and plus minus under root of 3. And the last option is none. Solution. You know that this equation is in the form of quadratic equation because the highest power of the variable is 4. It means that the solution must be 4. Taking the given equation, we reduce this quadratic equation to a quadratic equation by making substitution. Let x square is equal to y. So x raised to power 4 will become y square. Putting the values here, x power 4 is y square, so y square minus 5 times of x square is y, and plus 6 is equal to 0. Factorize this quadratic equation, so we are left with ay square minus 3y and minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. Solving this equation, it gives us y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. But we are not interested in the value of y, we are interested in the value of x. So we make substitution here. So x square is equal to y. So x square is equal to, first put the value of y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 here, taking under root of. So x is equal to plus minus under root 2, and x square is equal to y. Put the value of y is equal to 3 here. So x square is equal to 3. So x is equal to plus minus under root of 3. So these are the two solution and two solution. These are the four solutions to the given quadratic equation. So the correct choice is option C. Guys, thank you for watching and subscribe the channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon.